my name is Dr. Rajab. I'm from Eastern Connecticut State University. I live in Hebron, Connecticut, and today we had the pleasure of meeting Larissa, and she came to speak to the Cancer Society students, and she did a marvelous job. I have been attending this meeting for the last 20 years, week in and week out, and today was the most fun and informative and enjoyable day. And please give Larissa a chance. She will really impress you with her great personality and those amazing relaxing techniques and public speaking tips.
And did you learn new things that other speakers hadn't said in the past about the interviewing?
Oh, absolutely, yeah. Especially about the oil thing. That was really good, and I always think about so many things at the same time, and hopefully, from now on, just think about one time. It is hard to do that when you are responsible for so many things. But Larissa is a great coach, a great teacher, and more importantly, is a pleasant person. When she looks at you, she keeps smiling. It is an amazing thing, and hopefully, give her a chance to impress you.